I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your current setup so you can revert if needed. Export theme or create a restore point. Next, choose a coherent color palette and 1 or 2 accent colors to keep the taskbar visually consistent. Once done, collect matching wallpaper and icon packs and install a lightweight taskbar utility if you need custom positioning or transparency. This step saves time later and explains why having assets and a fallback matters. Now you adjust layout and icon presentation. Change taskbar height, center or left align icons, and enable auto hide if you want cleaner lines. Replace mismatched icons with a uniform pack sized around 32 to 48 pixels so edges align and scaling stays crisp. Then, use spacers or a grouping tool to create visual breathing room between pinned apps. This reduces clutter and draws attention to key shortcuts. Make sure to test hover finish by adding subtle effects like transparency, blur, or a light gradient to give depth without reducing legibility. Adjust contrast so icons remain readable. Then lock your settings, export the theme, and save assets to cloud or local backup so you can replicate the look later. If something breaks, restart the shell or Explorer process first. If issues persist, revert using your backup. This restores functionality quickly and explains why backups are the last safety net.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.